Hello unicorns, welcome back to my channel Tales of Unicorn. To all the new people there, hi, I'm Harita. I basically create travel videos, but sometimes I do create random lifestyle vlogs too. So in this video, as you'd have seen in the title and thumbnail, you are going to watch me pack for a trip. So previously I've never done such a video before, but today while I was starting to pack, I just realized that I have learned so many packing tips and tricks over the course of all my travels. So in today's video, I just wanted to share those tips and tricks with you. So while you watch me pack, I'll be sharing them, and also I said pack for a trip with me, which means that you will get to witness my travel vlogs very soon. So if you are interested in watching them, please do hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for my travel vlogs. And also by the time this video comes, I think I would have already shared so much information about my travel on my Instagram. So you can check out my Instagram also, which is also Tales of Unicorn. So now let's get into the video. So usually before packing, I take all the stuff I need from my cupboard and spread it on the bed. And before doing this process, I kept my spare phone underneath it, which means I kept the spare phone on the bed and then basically threw all my stuff onto the bed. And since I lost my spare phone, in which I have the checklist right now, this is the condition of my bed. So I'm not this messy usually. I used to keep clothes in one section, gadgets, makeup, toiletries, everything separate. But since I was searching for my phone, I created a mess. So let's sort it out soon. Also, I'm going to leave for the trip tonight and I'm packing right now. So are you guys team early packers or late packers? Let me know in the comments. So let's start with clothes first, because that is the one present in huge number. And usually plan your dresses according to the destination you visit. Like for beach destination, you have separate dress. For hill station, you have a separate dress. But right now I am traveling to a city. It's not a hill station, not a beach station. So I can just carry some normal dresses which I wear at my hometown. So yeah, let's begin with the clothes. First things first. Also, I have a separate video where I have spoken about space saver bags. So usually I take that space saver bags along with me only if I am using my backpack. But in this trip, I'm not going to be using my backpack. I'm just going to use the trolley suitcase. So for now, I think I won't be needing the space saver bags. Let's see once I complete sorting this mess. Now clothes are rolled over on one side. Now we have to sort this mess. So I'm going to separate my gadgets, my toiletries and all my makeup items in one side. So my gadgets bag is sorted. So as a content creator, it's very, very important to have such a bag. So even if you're not a content creator and if you're traveling as a family, if you need to keep all your chargers, earphones, everything, etc. in one single place, because in airports, you will be asked to take all that out for checking. Currently I'm traveling only by train, but still, so you can get a gadget bag like this. So recently I made a video where I have mentioned all the vlogging gadgets that I've used previously, I am using currently, and I've given the links for all the products also in that description. So the video link will be present in the iCard as well as in the description. Do check that out if you're interested. So in this bag I have my gimbal, my earpods, my tripod, my chargers. So the pending things which have to be kept inside is the mic which I'm currently using, and also my iPhone charger. So if that is done, then this bag is sorted. Now coming to toiletries, so this is the bag I usually carry because this helps so much. It has one compartment here, zip here, inside you have so many compartments. You have two side zips for like bottles. You can keep body washes, face washes, everything, etc. So let's start packing my toiletries. So you can get these cotton pads, for sweat, for dust, or even for anything. If you're not having tissues, these come in handy. Menstrual cup, so I've made a detailed video about it. So yeah, if you want to know more about this, I've made a detailed video about it, so you can check the links in description. And yeah, that's it, toiletry bag done. So since I keep all things in one place, it saves so much space, as well as it becomes easily accessible to find each and everything. Okay, so next thing is the makeup and accessories which I use. Currently, so I have a gadget bag, I have a toiletries bag, but I do not have any such bag for makeups. I just used to keep it in these pouches. So in the first pouch, I have my combs and makeup brushes, sponges, everything. And in this bag, I'll be keeping all my makeup products. And in this bag, I'll be keeping my accessories like rings, chains, clips, everything. Also, if you guys know some budget friendly makeup bag which I can take for my travels, it should be compatible as well for my travels. So if you know such thing, please do give the link in the description. One trick that I would like to let you know is I am a person who always keeps chandan in every video. We call it chandan in Tamil. So if you are such a person, if you are obsessed with this kumkum or vibhuti and all, I don't know what is vibhuti in English. It's actually white color ashes type of thing. So maybe I'll Google it and put the name here as a subtitle. So yeah, if you have leftover tic tac boxes, tic tac box, right? So you can just wash it and store some and lock it because it is leak proof actually. So coming to accessories, I store them in these cute little boxes. It's not actually cute, okay? So these little boxes, if you put it in a single purse, obviously everything has steel items like this clip, earrings, everything gets mixed and mashed. So I have two separate boxes, one for the hair accessories, another for my body accessories like chains, earrings, rings, etc. So apart from the stuff I showed you, I usually carry some other stuff which I'd like to quickly show to you guys. So one thing is this straightener because I have super wavy hair and I do not like traveling like that. And then I carry my hair dryer only if I have space in my bag because I do not like being sweaty hair and all. Since I'm on camera, I would really like to be presentable. So only if I have space in my bag, I usually carry my hair dryer. Otherwise, I won't. So some spare newspapers for emergency purposes. Then my purse, like for cash, cards, everything. And I am a spectacle person, so I used to carry this lens solution, etc. And this bag, oh my god, this bag, it's actually weightless bag. So this bag helps me a lot during the last day of my trip because once you start to pack before your travel, it's all easy peasy, but once you pack during your checkout, it's so difficult. Like you'll be like, how the hell did I pack all these stuff in this one single bag? So and also you used to purchase some extra items, you just shop in the destination and you need some extra bag to put that stuff and all. So that's why I carry this extra bag. It's actually very easy, lightweight to carry. And then I have my cap. And yeah, one important thing I wanted to show to you guys are these two notebooks. So first notebook is the gratitude notebook, which I used to write every day in the morning. So before taking my phone after waking up, I used to write gratitude. So this is one book, and this is the second notebook which I carry during all my travels because I write every single day, once every single night actually, returning from the places where I am visiting. I used to sit and write down my travel stories here. So one day, maybe when I grow old, it'll be really nice to read all those things, right? So yeah, these are few stuff I really wanted to show you quickly. I showed you so many things, but one important thing which every woman has to carry, especially during train journeys, is this Peace Safe. So I am a person who feels very uncomfortable to use the train toilets, and hence this has been super helpful for me. So this is actually a urination device. It's not a device, it's just paper. So maybe I'll put a separate video about this. If you need it, you can let me know in the comments. This is a device which helps women pee. I'll definitely make a reel or shorts on this. So this is one must have for every woman traveler out there. So I've finally successfully sorted everything out. So it's now time for us to put it in the bags. So since I'm carrying a trolley bag, I'll definitely need one shoulder bag, to keep some essential stuff which I will definitely need in my train as well. So let's start packing to the bags. Two important things every solo traveler should have is one, a power bank, and two, this chain. So especially if you're traveling by train, you would definitely require this because I travel by train and I am solo. So if I need to go to the restroom, I have to leave my bags alone. So you cannot just trust anybody with that. So that's when this chains come for you. So you can buy a lock like this, or I think this lock comes along with this chain only. So you can definitely get it for cheap in any of the local market. So successfully completed my packing. I just checked my checklist over here. So the pending things are my shoes, water bottle, some snacks, and of course my phone charger. So I have to quickly grab them, pack it up, wrap my packing, get ready, and start for my trip. So in this video, I hope I gave some helpful tips and tricks which would help you in your packing. So there are some more tips that I would like to let you know when I use my backpack. So maybe for the next trip. And if you guys know some easy peasy tips and tricks, please do share in the comments below because me and the other viewers can can get benefited from it. So yeah, that's it for this vlog, but you can wait for my travel vlogs by subscribing to my channel. By the time this vlog comes out, I know you will be knowing where I am from my Instagram stories and all. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, go check out my Instagram account, which is also Tales of Unicorn, and I'll see you guys real soon in another exciting video. Until then, unleash the unicorn in you.